Are we filming? Here we are. Rule number 1, always park as much in the shade as possible.
I know we always went over there for peaches.
Yeah, we're going for apples. They are straight back. So you could also pick apples, or you can play lacrosse with apples. It's your choice. So we have appear to have lost Kathy. Mark, can you tell us anything about this disappearance?
Last time anyone heard from her, she was close to a windmill. The only windmills I know about are Netherlands.
Oh.
I didn't see a windmill coming in. I don't know what kind of apple she's looking for. So I'm going to walk that way.
Good idea. There's a what?
Windmill. Allí delante. Bird.
Oh wow.
It's great.
Red button?
They are practicing for the circus. I think Andy might get the job.
Checking out all the fruits. Hey, Andy.
Hey.
Grandma, how many apples do you think you've peeled in your life?
I don't know. I was just remembering a while ago I used to peel the apples for my grandmother. And there were 5 girl cousins that range from real young to pretty old. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And she used to get us all lined up on her summer kitchen, which was like a big screen porch in the back of the house. And we'd do stuff, peel stuff. Tomatoes, apples, peaches, mostly. I guess that's all.
Peel all the stuff.
Yeah. We were the peelers, and they would make the dough and put it together, you know, make lots of pies. And they didn't even have freezers back then.
So what'd they do with all those pies after they
Ate
made
them, I guess. I don't know what they did to keep them.
Well, I'll have to do a little patching too.
Andy, you're like one of the few men I think I've ever sat in on a pie baking.
Well, when you have the opportunity to learn from the masters,
That's right.
you at least take note.
Grandma Harless always said you should be able to look across the top of the pie and it will be even.
Yeah, you
when
don't
you
want to
put the
pile
fruit
that
in.
like that, because it'll run out.
Okay.
That's what they say. just makes a design, then she vents it in other places. I make my design my vent.
All right. Well,
Now you
the
go
next.
around with your thumb
Oh, yeah,
and
do
make
this.
little, yeah, it kind of pushes the two crusts
That
together.
seals the
Right.
crust together so they don't.
Right. And the next part we can't share with anyone because it's a family secret.
Yeah,
It's the
it's the
connecting of the edges, or
yeah.
the riveting, if you will.
So I'll just bing you.
Okay.
Okay.
Why is it a family tradition to make pies? I guess the main reason is because it's something that my mother was good at and knew how to do and had a lot of practice at. She had a special technique with doing the dough and other parts of it that turned out to be successful. And so she showed me how to do it. And I figured it was a useful thing for the grandchildren to learn, and so I've tried to teach each one of them. For one thing, we all like pie, especially apple pie.